6 more Western states. The battles of the Indian Wars are too many to recount here. The Nez Perce War in the Pacific Northwest, the Colorado War against the Arapaho and Cheyenne in Colorado, the Modoc War in California. But in all these places and more, the U.S. Army was ultimately victorious. By the time of Wounded Knee, almost all the Native American tribes had been subjugated and forced onto reservations, living in poverty but at peace, subsisting off of rations from the U.S. government. As late as 1924, some Apache were still raiding American farms, though by and large the wars were over. In 1890, the same year as Wounded Knee, the United States government took a census. A census is an official count or survey of the population. The census reported that there was no longer a definable frontier on the North American continent. Though still full of vast open spaces, the American West had been tamed. Between June 1876, the date of Little Bighorn, and December 1890, the massacre of Wounded Knee, the U.S. had gained the new states of North and South Dakota, Montana, Washington, Idaho, and Wyoming. The natives, meanwhile, had all been removed to reservations. Like the practice of slavery, the treatment of the Native Americans is a black eye on the history of the United States. While some tribes were dangerous and hostile, and war with them may have been inevitable, many other tribes were peaceful. The taking of their lands and the violence used against them is something we should never forget, so we can learn from our ancestors' mistakes. America had spread from sea to sea, but the American thirst for adventure was not yet quenched. In our next chapter, we shall see how this led them to new conquests overseas.